Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Jenny. In this video, I am going to make a super easy greeting card for any occasion like birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day or Teacher's Day. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our channel. So, subscribe us and press the bell icon to get notifications. Fold the paper as I am doing here and cut a petal shape. This step will give you a flower with 8 petals. Now I am going to cut flowers from a colored cardboard. Okay. Now fold the flowers you cut as I am doing here. And now we can paste the flowers . So, I'm using a yellow color glitter sheet to cut middle sections of the flowers. And now, I'm cutting some leaves from a green color paper . As the final step, we can paste the leaves as we prefer. Hope you enjoyed our video. So, give a like, comment and share with your friends. Here are some more greeting card ideas by Craft Jenny. So, subscribe to us and press the bell icon to get notification for more videos like this.